Okay, so for my birthday, I got a little tiny FPV drone to fly inside with. Should be kind of fun, and I have a child running around behind me, if that's what you guys are wondering what that is. He's very mobile. So we're gonna open this thing up and see what's inside. Alright, so this is the Sky Phantom FPV drone. It is the D1650WH. Made by Syma. Controller here. Gonna need some batteries for the inside of that. We've got our phone clip for holding your phone onto it. Some charging cables and extra propellers. Looks like we got a full extra set. Oh, and it comes with 2 batteries. The 2 batteries that come with it are 400 milliamp batteries. And they are proprietary, so it's not like you can hook up your own, it looks like. And here's the drone. It's just a little 3-inch drone, it looks like. It's got its own propeller guards. They don't look like they're super beefy, but it looks like they'll do the job at least. It does have an FPV camera built into it, which is kind of nice. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to charge it, and then we'll fly it around the house and chase the dog and wife and daughter and see how it goes.
What?
What? Yeah. Okay, so I've flown this for a few days now, and I actually really like it. It's not exactly an indoor whoop necessarily, but it does fly really well. Believe it or not, even outside here. And there's 3, 4, 5 mile an hour wind earlier, and it was handling it just fine. So I'm going to kind of show you guys its flight, some flips, all that stuff. All right. The other thing is look at how quickly this thing binds the controller. And up, down, up, and it's up. Literally 30 seconds. So it has 2 speeds. And you just hit this right control stick to put it into its next speed. Now it can go super fast. And it's actually handling really well. Okay, so I'm gonna put it into its easier, slower speed again. And then now let's do some flips here. You've got to get it to about 3 meters high before you can do a flip. And you hold this button right here down and to the side, and it'll do a flip. So I'll do some here for you, up a little closer.
Can you point it the other direction? That's cool.
Okay, so real quick, pros, it actually has about an 8-minute battery life. It's actually really good controller, and it binds in like 10 seconds. Cons, the camera cannot hook up to goggles, and the camera is only 20 frames per second at 720p. Other than that, I love that little drone.